Y'all give Pete a big round. He did a good job tonight.
Yeah.
Great show, Pete. So, I've roomed with Pete quite often, and he does have tidy whitey Superman underwear, and I see. Wow. Oh!
We did it the Hard Rock, remember?
You know what? The first time, Captain America, yeah, baby! And you know, the first time I was backstage with Pete at an ultimate, at one of the ultimates. Yes, Pete, I'm going to tell him about this.
Get that big hog back to kill, boy.
The first time we were backstage at one of the ultimate finals in Memphis, Pete cut the moves. And Pete comes up to me in my change room and he says, Mark, you know what? He said, I heard you're the clown back here. Everybody has fun because you sort of get around and nothing on. You know, and I get around. But Pete says to me, he says to me, and as he's saying this, I was too busy looking at my makeup in the mirror, and I turn around and there's Pete with a silver G-string bent over in front of me. That's the first.
I dropped my pen. I had to bend over and pick it up.
That's how I did 8 years in San Quentin. I don't believe it. What?
May I just say one thing? Pete and I were friends when I lived back in London years ago. You were 4 years old. He opened the door to me with his knickers off. That was in Memphis, wasn't it?
Yeah,
I knocked on the door.
What the hell's a knicker?
A knicker is a watch.
Yeah, it's if we look at his tidy whities, he had his knickers down, baby. Listen to that.
This is turning into like a perverted version of This Is Your Life.
Yes, please, let's move on. I need to think of Pete as nothing. Oh no, pull it back a bit. There we go.
That's what she said. By the way,
I had the air conditioning on, alright? It was cold in there.